Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make Starbucks birthday cake pops at home. First you want to bake your white cake according to package instructions. Then let cool to room temperature. Once cooled, I like to trim and remove any brown edges of the cake. This part of the cake tends to be too dry to form the cake pops. Then in a large bowl, you want to start crumbling up the cake with your hands. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Once the cake is all crumbled up, add in 2 to 4 tablespoons of white frosting and mix together. Now using an ice cream scooper, you want to scoop the cake and start to roll it into a ball with your hands. Then place on a plate or baking sheet. With this recipe, you should be able to make 10 to 12 cake pops. Now in a small bowl, I've melted about a 1/4 cup of pink candy melts. And using a cake pop stick, you can get these from Walmart. You want to dip the end of each stick into the melted candy and insert it into the cake pop about halfway. Then freeze for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now in a medium bowl, I've melted 12 ounces of pink candy melts and gonna add in 2 teaspoons of shortening and mix this together. Then pour into a tall glass or measuring cup. Then dip the cake pop into the candy melt and tilt side to side and slowly pull the cake pop up. Then gently tap for any extra melted candy to drip off. Then you want to sprinkle the cake pop with some white sprinkle pearls before the candy hardens. Then place on a cake pop stand. You can also get this from Walmart and let the cake pop stand for about an hour. And these cake pops are ready. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!